light we will take, Allison.
Oh yeah, it's going to be so nice. So don't forget to spring forward this weekend. And speaking of spring, it definitely looked like spring as we headed into the afternoon here in Bakersfield, even though it was a little bit cool. Look at this, clear blue skies right now, just a few low-hanging clouds hanging out over the mountains. But again, temperatures today were actually down 10 degrees from average, and right now we're down from what we were feeling this time yesterday. 54 degrees right now here in the valley, and temperatures going to be dipping into the low 40s as we head into the overnight hours. So you can expect the chance to see some lingering showers as we head into the evening in the mountains, but due to any of that snow melt, we could be seeing the chance for black ice continuing through the very early morning hours tomorrow. So just make sure that you are driving safely, especially if you're heading anywhere this weekend. But what we've been tracking all afternoon are those strong winds. So actually the strongest winds were in Mojave this afternoon, with gusts reaching up to 48 miles per hour, but still we're looking at anywhere from 30, 20 and nearing 20 mile per hour gusts here in Bakersfield right now. And you can expect these strong winds to continue through at least 10 p.m. calming down in the very early morning hours tomorrow, and then we will be seeing breezy conditions, especially in our desert cities as we head into your Saturday. So just like we've been tracking, this wind advisory will be impacting the Kern County mountains and desert until 10 p.m. this evening. But thankfully, calm weather is on the way, and just most likely passing clouds tomorrow and good air quality. So you're definitely going to be able to see those crisp mountains. We'll have an AQI of 40 here in the valley. And then we are tracking our next system that's making its way into the county. This one going to be a coastal hugger in those late hours on Saturday, continuing throughout Monday. So you can see most of that precipitation going to be hanging onto the coast, but that does bring the chance to see the potential for some very light showers here in the valley. But most of that precipitation is going to be falling in our mountain communities. So you can see it's going to be very calm and relatively cool weekend. But then as we head into next Tuesday, that is going to be our next and hopefully last storm for at least the next week. 50% chance of showers here in the valley, and then lingering potentially on Wednesday. And then look at this, warming on up to 66 degrees by Friday, which is nearing those seasonal temperatures. And by next weekend, it looks like we could be nearing 70 degrees with sunny skies. So definitely going to be feeling like spring. The Kern River Valley is going to be seeing those showers on Sunday, drying out on Monday, and then again on Tuesday. But Tehachapi and Fraser Park really looking at the chance to see snow actually falling Sunday, a little bit into Monday, and then as we track our next storm on Tuesday. So still relatively chilly as we head into the weekend, but it's really hard not to look a week out and see all of those gorgeous temperatures.
Yes,
Very
but
excited.
The thing is, we always take it for granted, right? Yes. Then once we get to warmer temperatures, we're begging for the cold,
Right.
the rain to come back.
The heat will be here.
Yes,
Oh,
it will.
All right, Allison.